Cookware sets designed for glass stovetops matter because radiant and ceramic glass surfaces demand flatter bottoms, non-stick compatibility, and careful heat management to avoid scratching, cracking, or thermal shock. This comparison evaluates 5 borosilicate glass-centered pots and a premium ceramic nonstick set spanning a price range from budget to premium to help you match performance with budget.
List number 1. U-Fan 2 sets glass pot for cooking on stove, kitchen glass cookware, clear cooking pot with lid handle. This set includes 2 glass simmer pots with lids, plus 2 sponge brushes and 2 silicone hot pads. With a combined capacity of 60 ounces, or 1.8 liters per pot, the design emphasizes observation through clear borosilicate glass and a wooden handle on the lid. The pots are described as oven-safe and suitable for open flame, gas, electric, and microwave usage, which broadens versatility beyond glass-top stoves. Prospective buyers get a visually appealing, observation-friendly option with practical accessories, making it suitable for daily sauces, soups, or baby food preparation. Performance-wise, the borosilicate glass is thermally resistant, 0 degrees to 400 degrees Fahrenheit, but requires mindful heat management to prevent thermal shock, particularly on open flames. The wooden handle adds a warm touch, but may require extra care to avoid heat transfer during prolonged simmering. The lack of non-stick coating means occasional sticking is possible with denser sauces, so pre-warming and adequate water levels help. Usability on induction may require an additional induction adapter or a compatible base, as the pots themselves are glass and may not directly attract magnetism. Cleaning is straightforward due to smooth glass surfaces, but care is needed to avoid abrasive cleaners that could scratch the surface.
List number 2. Glass cooking pot with lid. 1.6 liter, 54 ounce, heat-resistant, borosilicate glass cookware stovetop pot set. Paella pan simmer pot with cover, safe for soup. This Le Reyes pot emphasizes a ribbed glass surface with a glass lid and a heat-resistant wooden handle. It offers a 1.6 liter capacity, positioning it as a versatile simmer pot for soups, sauces, and smaller portions. The borosilicate glass and ribbed texture suggest a non-stick-like performance without coatings, coupled with easy cleaning. It's a budget-friendly option that visually suits modern kitchens and can double as a paella-style simmer pot or specialty dish setup. In use, the ribbed interior may slightly influence liquid movement and heat distribution, but it can aid with fat separation and reduce scorching when used with ample liquid. The non-stick claim likely refers to the glass surface's reduced tendency to cling when used with enough oil or liquid. Nonetheless, very low-fat sauces may still benefit from gentle stirring. The pot's light weight, about 1 pound, can be an advantage for quick transfers, but may require careful handling when hot. Cleaning is easy due to non-stick-like surface, but ensure you avoid abrasive pads that could dull the rib texture over time.
List number 3. HSEI 3-piece glass simmer pot heat-resistant clear 1.3, 1.5, and 1.9 liter saucepan with cover, handle, glass pots for cooking, cookware, stovetop. A 3-piece set offering 1.3, 1.5, and 1.9 liter capacities designed to cover a range of simmering, boiling, and sauce tasks. The borosilicate glass construction emphasizes heat resistance and clear visibility, with multiple sizes enabling a stepped approach to cooking on a glass stovetop. The set advertises even heat distribution thanks to glass's inherent thermal properties, and is pitched as a practical gift option due to its elegant design. Performance-wise, the range of sizes helps with portion control and recipe scale management. However, the manufacturer notes the risk of cracking under high open flame temperature, advising induction use where possible. The absence of a non-stick coating means you'll want adequate liquid and gentle simmering to prevent sticking, particularly with starch-heavy sauces. Cleaning is straightforward, and the set is oven-safe, expanding its utility beyond stovetop simmering to gentle baking or finishing tasks.
List number 4. Zubebe 2 pieces glass pots for cooking on stove set. Glass saucepan with cover, heat-resistant clear pots. This two-piece set offers capacities of 1.3 liters and 1.5 liters, providing a compact option for families or roommates who need smaller simmer pots. The borosilicate glass construction is designed for heat resistance and clear visibility, with lids included. The packaging and presentation suggest it as a practical, giftable option and a straightforward upgrade for glass stovetop users seeking simple, effective cookware without coatings. In terms of performance, the glass materials enable clear observation of simmering, but the lack of non-stick means mindful stirring and adequate moisture are essential to prevent sticking. The pots are described as oven-safe up to standard temperatures, widening their use cases beyond the stovetop. The materials feel robust for daily use, and the set's lightweight makes handling easy, though it may be less forgiving on very aggressive handling or high-heat searing.
List number 5. Chef Power Ceramic Cookware Set, non-toxic with detachable handles. This premium 19-piece set centers on a ceramic non-stick coating touted as PFAS/PTFE/PFOA free and BPA free, with detachable handles for compact storage. It includes multiple saucepans, stock pots, frying pans, and silicone lids, plus 2 detachable handles and assorted accessories. The design emphasizes healthy cooking with a ceramic surface and high-temperature oven compatibility up to 550 degrees Fahrenheit for the pots and 350 degrees Fahrenheit for lids, along with dishwasher safety. The storage efficiency, measuring 13 by 12 by 8 inches when stacked, addresses common kitchen space constraints. Performance-wise, the ceramic non-stick surface promises easy release and cleanup without hazardous chemicals. This set is versatile across all stove types, including induction, and the detachable handles offer a unique portability and storage advantage. However, the complexity of 19 pieces means assembly and occasional component management, detached handles, lid seals, can be a learning curve for new users. The high-quality aluminum core supports heat distribution, but care must be taken to avoid overheating the ceramic surface and to follow handle detachment guidelines to maximize longevity.